Okay, this is the phone. The first thing you have to do, you have to take out the two screws at the back of the phone here. Remove these two screws. Okay. After you remove the two screws, you just use the pincers in between the metal and the rubber. Just put it there and press it up. Don't push it that much inside. Just go right on like this. The screen already breaks, so don't worry to change it. Just ace it up because you are changing the screen, so no worry to open it. Okay, just open it like this. It's a bit hard, but just force it. And then no need to scare to open it because you are going to replace the new LCD. So just open it like this. Okay. When it comes to the top here, you have to slide it down a bit. Okay, then you open it from this side. Okay, there's so many screws that you need to take out. So many screws. Make sure you take out all the screws. Okay, make sure you have the right screwdriver. This one. Make sure you put all the screws in different places because iPhone sometimes have different screws. But for this iPhone, it's using the same screw. Okay, so you just put it different way how you can understand to fix it back. Okay, take out all this screw here. Okay, you remove this panel. Okay, and you disconnect the LCD. Okay, disconnect the front speaker side. Okay, remove the LCD, put it one side. Okay, before you change that one, disconnect the battery also. Remove these three screws and disconnect the battery. Okay, disconnect the battery. You have to connect the LCD first before you connect back the battery. Okay, so now you need to take out this speaker and the sensor, transfer to the new LCD. This one I use different screwdriver, the star one. Put them different places because this screw up here is different. They are not the same. Different screw. Okay, this one also. This one to the screw here is different. One side. Okay, and now you take out the speaker. Remove the speaker. Be careful, the sensor is here. Okay, you remove this rubber all because you're going to transfer this rubber also to the new LCD. So you be careful, don't force it that much. Just try to ace it up from down the screen. Okay, you remove this pen. There's a little bit panel here you need to remove. This one is a clip. Okay, you take it up with one side because you're going to fix it back. Okay, try to take out this rubber because you need to transfer. Some LCD come with the rubber, but this LCD don't come with this rubber, so you have to take out this rubber because you need to use it. Okay, remove this sensor. Be careful, don't spoil the sensor. Just try to ace it up like this. Okay, remove the sensor first. Okay, then you remove the mic. There's a mic here. Be careful when you remove it also. Okay, you take out this one first. Then you have to take out this rubber and transfer here because this LCD don't come with rubber. Some LCD come with rubber, so you just try to ace this one up. you remove it. Okay, now it's time to fix the new LCD. Okay, this one, if you don't want to take it out, you can just leave it so you don't spoil the connector here. Nothing happens to the LCD. Okay, you just fix back this one first. Okay, then you fix the speaker. Make sure you place the sensor very nice. How you take it exactly. Fix the sensor inside, fix the speaker very nice. Hold the two sensors, fix them very nice like this. Okay, then you close the speaker on top. Okay, before you close the speaker on top, okay, you have to put back this panel. Okay, this one needs to slide into a metal on top here. Just try to slide it into this metal like this. Okay, already fixed. Now you fix the speaker. You place all the screw back you take. Okay, then you place this small one back up here. Very different screw, always put it at the top here. Okay, now it's time to fix the LCD. Okay, make sure the battery is disconnected. Okay, you fix this first cable here. You have to skip to do it. Don't press it in if you don't have the right position. Make sure you have the right position before you press it in. Okay, when you hear the sound like this, that means it's already fixed perfectly. Then you fix the up one also, the speaker one, the sensor. Make sure you have the right position before you press it in. Don't press it in without the right position. When you hear the sound like this, it's already fixed. Okay, after that you need to fix the battery now. Okay, then you fix this cover first before you close the battery side. And make sure you place all the screw back you take from there. So many screws. Make sure you place all the screws. Don't leave any screw behind. Make sure you place everything. Okay, now you need to fix this panel here to cover the battery terminal. This one you have to be very skillful to do it because the position is very tight. You have to be very skillful to do it. The position is very tight where to fix it. Okay. You have to ace the connector a bit, hold it, the LCD connector, so you can fix it under. Okay, after you fix it, then now you need to close the LCD. You start from the top, slide the top in first before you press the down. Okay, then you press the window. Okay, now you need to put the 2 screw back you take out from down here. Okay, then after I finish, you need to put on charge now. Just put it on charge because sometimes the battery is very low, and test the LCD, see if it's okay. Put on charge. Okay, the phone is on, the LCD is okay, that means it's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.